In this video, we'll show you what to do if the NVIDIA graphics driver is not showing up in the device manager window. So if you expand this display adapter and can't see this NVIDIA graphics driver for your PC, what you need to do is select any entry that appears here. In most cases, it will be Microsoft display adapter. Simply right click it and then choose update driver. Now here select browse my computer option. Now select let me pick. Now see here, uncheck this show compatible hardware. Now go to this NVIDIA tab and then select your GPU driver from here. So in my case it's NVIDIA RTX 4050, so I'll just select that and then click on next. Once you do this, the driver will be installed and you should be able to see the NVIDIA driver right here. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is open the settings app on your PC. Now go to this Windows Update tab. Now check for any pending updates and then install them. Additionally, go to advanced option, go to optional updates. Now check if you see any NVIDIA driver updates. If you do see them, simply select them and then download and install them from here. Once you do this, the NVIDIA graphics driver should appear in the device manager window. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.